Hey guys, just wanted to share another Revit tip with you guys. And this tip has to cover the copy monitor function within Revit, but one of the shortcomings that you'll experience with the copy monitor, and that is whenever you copy and monitor elements such as plumbing fixtures or lighting fixtures in a multi-phase project, and then you use the batch copy feature, then everything that you copy over will be placed onto the phase that you have currently active in the view for your project. And in most cases, in my experience, this is undesirable because I usually want to maintain the phasing of the element from the file that I am copying from. And in this example, I have a sample architectural file that is linked into a MEP file, and I want to copy monitor the plumbing fixtures and maintain that phasing that was specified by the architect. So generically, to get this to work, your project needs to be set up correctly, and in regards with the phase mapping already needs to be mapped correctly. So here I have a sample file with just some make-believe plumbing fixtures, and currently the project has 4 phases into it, and it matches the architectural link, so we're good to go there. And let me show you how the backgrounds currently look. So in the top left quadrant is phase 1, the top right quadrant phase 2, bottom right quadrant is phase 3, and then the last bottom left is phase 4. So as you can see, as I cycle through the phasing, this is how the architectural file is established. And I did it like this just so you can see that all of the um, plumbing fixtures are on a different phase. So we'll go ahead and batch copy. And again, make sure that you have your coordination settings for the link that you're trying to copy already done. As far as the type mapping and stuff, not going to really go too far into this, but you have to make sure that your copy monitor settings are established to your preferences. And then we'll go into the batch copy, and I've already specified the type mapping, so we'll just copy the fixtures. Then you can see once I finish this that now, even though I'm in phase 1, I see all of the plumbing fixtures, and that's because if I select all of the plumbing fixtures, I get the little heartbeat icon, lets me know that I successfully copied and monitored the plumbing fixtures. But you'll notice that the phase created is phase 1. It defaulted um, to the active phase of the project that I'm in, or the view that I'm in. And that may be desirable in some instances, but most of the time, what I would have to do next is to go through and start phasing the fixtures properly, or whatever I copied over properly. So again, here's a scenario in which we can use Dynamo to um, help with this. So here is a Dynamo graph, and I'll kind of show you guys it so you guys can recreate it. But also in the link of this video will be the Dropbox link for you to download this graph. It is constructed in using Revit 2020. So I'll just pan real slow so you guys get a sense of what's happening here. Basically, all it does is map the phasing from the architectural fixtures into the fixtures in the MEP model that we copied over. So we'll give this a quick run. And then that fast, it's done. Let's minimize this. And now you can see that we no longer see all of the plumbing fixtures. And then if I start to cycle through the phasing, you will see that everything is now matching as desired. So this could save definite man hours on the copy and monitor process and maintaining the phasing through the link. So if you guys enjoy this video, if you learned something, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks again, guys.